Take a look at this view behind me. Paul and I wanted to get away from the city life, so we're gonna be spending a couple nights here in the Southern Alps. I have never been, so I'm super excited to be in nature and just discover a new part of France. And just driving up here is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to go see the rest of it.
We just got to the place, there's no food. We have to fill up the fridge, so we're gonna go to the store next door and we'll be right back for lunch. Say what? We were able to find vegan products in a tiny store in the middle of the Alps. How crazy is that?
I'm getting all. I am so excited right now. This is like just a gold mine. They even have jarritos. So we went in to the Office de Tourism, but it actually had that shop with a whole bunch of Mexican candies, salsas, alcohol, so many goodies. And I even found pelon pelo rico, which is tamarindo, and these, which is like basically like spicy sugar, and I used to eat these as a kid, and that's one thing I really miss here, is that you can't find a lot of different food basically from different cultures. So the reason why we stumbled upon that little shop with a whole bunch of Mexican goodies was because some men went to Mexico and they actually made a fortune on, I believe it was textiles, and so they brought that fortune back. And when they brought that fortune back, they also brought a little bit of Mexico with them. So last week they even had mariachi bands here, a whole festival celebrating Mexico. And I believe also we'll find some architecture. So I'm super excited to see what other Mexican goodies I could find.
Well, that was it. Probably took you like 30 seconds to see everything, and it took us about, I don't know, like 30 minutes to walk around the whole town, so it's very small. Very small. Okay. Ready for the battle?
No.
Cool.
Oh!
I always win.
Ah, shit.
No, you won. Go.
Oh. Oh!
Cart underneath it.
Dang it!
My turn. 1, 2.
Hey, your
Hey,
hand is
what?
like right here next to it.
Because I just dropped the card. Of course my hand is on the card.
Put that away.
Stop it.
You're gonna spill it. Ah! Ah! I don't like you playing like that.
Right up. Nothing left.
Alright guys, we just started our little hike. I believe it's called La Tour de Cascade. So there's a waterfall at the top of the viewpoint. It's about a 45-minute hike, so not too long at all, which is perfect because I'm not feeling my greatest right now. I'm a little sick, but I think being out in nature is going to be super helpful for me. Already just breathing in this fresh air is just so relaxing, and just all these magnificent trees all around us and people river rafting down the water. It's already such a beautiful scene, and we just started this hike, so let's go.
I'm guessing it's that way. Get that Instagram shot?
I'm trying. I don't think so. So we're crossing this little stream, and then I looked this way and saw this tiny little waterfall, and it is just so peaceful here. Although my ears are like, because I'm sick, I can't really hear clearly, but it's so pretty.
I think with the waterfall, no one's gonna be able to hear.
Oh.
So that happened. We've been hiking for about an hour now. It takes a longer time because we're stopping every 5 seconds to shoot videos, take photos, and that takes a while. So the hike is going to be a little longer than we calculated, but it's very nice. I gotta say, we don't hike in nature very often. We're always in cities, you've seen the vlogs, and we always go to cities and walk around, but we never really hike in nature, and this feels really good, and it makes me want to come back here, or anywhere in maybe the Alps or other regions of France, but more like in the countryside. There's plenty of things to do here, a lot of activities. You can do river rafting, you can do paintball, like go-karts, a lot of stuff to do. There's always a bunch of things happening, festivals, and right now I think is the World Championship of mountain biking, if I'm not wrong. A lot is going on, so I really recommend that if you want to get away in France, go to the Alps, go to the mountains, get in the middle of nowhere, get lost, and take time off. Because I'm sure happy we did that.
Our stay in the Alps has been super amazing. It's been a breath of fresh air. This is the end of the hike. You reach the falls. You can actually keep going up further, but we're gonna end our hike here. And there's even a little pools by the falls that you can take a dip in. I wish I would have brought my swimsuit. So if you do this hike, bring your trunks and bikini, because you could take a dip in the water. But I highly recommend getting away from the city if you come to France and discover the Alps, because it is breathtaking. And I'll see you guys next week. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.